Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to do model test paper 2. Children, again I am telling you that don't do this work in your notebook. Just leave it, just complete in your book only. आप केवल बुक में करिएगा, कॉपी में इस काम को करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. As we have done the A, tick the correct answer. So today we will do B. Make a smiley face for the correct statement and sad face for the incorrect statement. The first one is, we see a rainbow when the sun shines through rain. When do we see the rainbow? We see the rainbow when the sun shines through the rain. It means this sentence is correct and we will make here smiley face. Second is, mountains and hills are higher than plains. Yes, because plain is flat land and mountains and hills are higher than the plains. जो mountains और hills होती हैं वो plain से flat land से ऊंचे की ओर होती हैं, ऊपर होती है. This is also correct sentence, so we will make here smiley face. Then third one is, animals like elephant, deer and fox do not have any home. Means these animals they do not make their home or nobody make home for them also. मतलब ये ना तो खुद अपना घर बनाते हैं like nest, like other animal, और इनके लिए भी कोई घर नहीं बनाता है लाइक शेड, स्टेबल, कूप. तो इनके लिए भी कोई घर नहीं बनाता है. तो these are the examples of those animals who do not have any home. This is correct sentence. We have read this in the previous chapter. So we will make here smiley face. Now last one is, aquatic animals live on land. Aquatic means children water. Means water animals, can they live on the land? Okay, you can imagine about fish and starfish, seahorse. They cannot live on land. वो जमीन पे नहीं रह सकते हैं. They will die. So this statement is wrong. So we will make here sad face. Correct. Now we will do name the following, that is C. You have to answer in one word and you can write over here. First is, what is the moon called when it looks like a ball? Where you know that moon changes its shape every day, and when the moon looks like a ball, means one complete circle, then what we call it? We call it full moon. Full moon. FULLMOON. Second is, what do the animals like frog and lizard eat? What do they eat? क्या खाते हैं ये? Have you noticed that? Frog and lizard, they eat small insects. They eat small insects. So I am right. Sorry. INSECTS, insects. Then third is, where do the birds lay eggs? Birds अंडे कहाँ देते हैं? They lay eggs in the nest. So you will write in the nest. Okay. Then fourth one is, what gives us pulses and grains? What gives us pulses and grains? हमको pulses और grains कौन देता है? Do we get from animal? Any animal? Or we get from plant? Yes, we get from plants. We get pulses means दाल और अनाज हमें किससे मिलता है? Plant से. So we will write here plants. Then fifth one is, what does the seed have inside it? Most of the seed have something inside that with the new plants can grow. कुछ होता है, हर बीज के अंदर कुछ होता है जिससे कि नया प्लांट उग सकता है. That we call baby plant. Okay, baby plant, BABY and PLANT plant. Now children, we are not going to do this because it will take too much of time. We will do in the next video, but today we will just do this exercise E, that is draw a rainbow and color it. Then write when you can see a rainbow. So children, as you know that a rainbow is seen when the sun shines through the rain, and rainbow has 7 colors. So I am just showing you how you will draw the rainbow and complete in your book. First, just simply you make one semicircle, or you can say half circle. Okay, one line. Then second line, O. Same way you can make third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Rainbow has 7 colors, but we have to draw here 8 lines or 8 semicircle, so that we will get 7 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. If you will draw 7, then we will get 6. So if you will draw 8, then only we will get 7. Now you make sky like this, because rainbow will not look nice simply, and then you rub or clean the lines which come inside the cloud. Okay, this is so easy. Then you color with the 7 colors. Now what are the 7 colors you find in the rainbow? That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This color you can see in the rainbow. So I have just made the short form or key for these colors. Like you just, I am writing here V. V means violet color. Then I means indigo color, like blue color. Then this is plain blue. Then G means green color. Then Y means yellow color. O for orange color. And last is red. So if you will write this in your book, you will remember what color you have to use here. Okay, then sky you can color with the light sky color or dark or light sky color. This way you can complete. Then I can see a rainbow when the sun shines through the rain. Shines. When the sun shines through the rain. Okay. Now this is completed. Now next video we will do question answer. Till then, complete all the work. Study hard for your exam. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.